Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I wanted to welcome you to my channel. I'll be doing some crafts today and I just want to ask you if you would subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and if you would just share it with your friends and family, that would be great. So I hope you are having a great day. Get a cup of coffee, some tea, and just sit back and enjoy watching me make something. Okay, take care and love you. Bye. Okay, I got this beautiful cross at Dollar Tree. Actually, I got 3 different ones so that I can actually decorate them for Easter. And I have so many Christian friends and I'm just going to pass them to it. I got this beautiful, it's a metallic purple, but it's so pretty. It's a folk art. I got it at, I believe it was at Hobby Lobby. I just pulled the sticker off the back. Look at that color, it's gorgeous. That is a gorgeous purple. My daughter's doing a project of her own and she used it on some cups and it was so pretty. Okay, I'm going to paint the edges and then I'm going to paint the back of it also, just in case, we want to put it in maybe a flower arrangement or something like that, so it would be pretty much complete both front and back. And then I'm drying it with my heat gun. Then I'm going to use these beautiful flowers from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to cover them on this beautiful cross. These flowers are so pretty. Dollar Tree has gorgeous flowers, especially right at springtime. They are so pretty. I'm going to take some jute cord and I'm going to wrap it around the cross before I put the flowers on, because after you put the flowers on, you're not going to be able to do that. So make sure you put the jute cord first. And I'm just wrapping it around. I'm going to give the cross some texture. And then I'm going to tie it on the back. Just putting a little dab of glue so it doesn't come undone. And now I will place these flowers strategically all across the cross. As you can see, my cat in the background. I think he just likes going over to the sink and watching the water. I did a TikTok video on him in the water. He was playing in the water. It's so cute. If you want to see it, going over to Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins on TikTok, and you will see him just mesmerized by the water. Look how pretty this is turning out. I love this cross. It's beautiful. And I know exactly who I'm going to give it to. It's these wonderful people that constantly are blessing me. And I do like to bless them too. I'm trying to decide now whether I want to video from the top of my table where you just see the craft I'm making, or to do it from the side. I think it looks better from the top of the table. So we will see. I'm so used to doing it this way, but I'm going to try to get used to it the other way. So we're having warm weather this week. Cannot wait. Starting Wednesday, it's going to be in the 70s. So Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday in the 70s, and then it's going back to the 50s. But that's okay. I'll take it. 3 days of warm weather. Get the kids outside to play a little bit where they're not freezing. Okay, my next one is I got these 2 plastic champagne flutes from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint them. And then I'm going to take some of this black chalk paint from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint the other one black. This paint is really nice for $1 from Dollar Tree. Love this paint. It's the chalk paint. You see it over in the paint selection. You don't always see it. I just found it this year about a month ago. So I'm sure they've carried it for a long time, or maybe they haven't. I don't know. But anyway, it is absolutely wonderful. It's thick. It goes on really well. Loving the way this is turning out. I think I might get some more of these because I see some other DIY projects with these champagne flutes. Get 2 of them for $1. Not a bad deal. And since it's plastic, if you drop it, it's not going to break. If you needed to weight it down, you could put some of those rocks or pebbles in the bottom of it because you won't be able to see them. And that would give it a little more sturdiness because they are rather lightweight. So if you put flowers in them, I mean, I haven't had any problems with them before, but I was thinking if you're out on a picnic on your deck and wind came along, it could blow it over. So maybe you could put some of the rocks that you get from the Dollar Tree and just throw some in there. Right, I'm just adding some black to my little white flute. And if you like, you can subscribe. You hit the subscribe button. We would love it if you would join our tribe and hit the like button and the notification bell, and it'll tell you my next one, or you can view the next one coming up. I'm just starting to get an Instagram account, and I'm going to get a Facebook group. I haven't done that yet, but I'm going to. This is fairly new for me, so I'm learning as I go along. And I really like the way this one turned out. I'm going to dry a little bit with the tool. Okay, I'm going back over it because when I did the black, some of it smeared, so I had to go back over it with the white. Okay, I'm putting these beautiful roses. I love these. They're yellow roses with the coral edges. Look how pretty that is. It's be so pretty on a table. Like for a shower or a birthday or a wedding, you can buy these shoots and set up your tables with these. I've got some baby's breath that's going in there. It's so delicate and so pretty. I love it. I'm going to tie some jute cord around. If you wanted to, you can even like glue some of the diamond little crystals on there, which I might do next time. How pretty would that be? I think I will. I'll have to go back and get some of these. I do like them because they are plastic, and I've broken many a glass coming home from the Dollar Tree because they don't really wrap it. Sometimes we ask to wrap it just to help them out. But a lot of times they don't have newspaper and they just have to wrap it in their bag. So by the time you get home, I've had quite a few things get cracked. And this is a little shabby chic because it's very elegant with the black. And you put some of the jute cord around. So it's a little shabby chic, but it is beautiful. Look at that. Look how pretty that would be on tables if you are planning a party, a shower, birthday, anniversaries. My white one is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to make this little bunny pom-poms that I got from the Dollar Tree. They're little bunnies, so I'm going to make this little bunny. There's 5 in a pack. And you just pretty much just glue them together. How easy is that? Look how cute. They've got the little ears and you put the little pinks on them. I dropped one of the little arms. There's this little body. Look how cute this little bunny is. Cute little bunny. Look at his little arms. How cute. 5 of these for $1. And your kids can make some too. It's a great little craft. Keep your kids busy. Okay, I'm putting the little pink in his ears. He's kind of delicate, so you have to really work hard to get this. I'm sorry about all the noise. I guess my kids are upstairs fighting. Okay, I'm putting his little bunny tail on. Then I'm going to put a stick on the back so that he can sit into my little flower arrangement. And look how cute. You can make a little flower arrangement and put a little bunny in it, and then you have it for Easter. I put some of the eggs that you got from the Dollar Tree on the sticks. And look how cute this is turning out. So cute. So you've got a little Easter bouquet for one of your tables. You can add a bow. You can add jute. You can add crystals. It's so cute. I'm going to add a little ribbon that I've had for a while in my stash. Not sure where I got it from, but it's one of my favorites. It comes in this really pretty lime green and a pretty pink. So I'm excited to put this cute little bow onto this little small flower arrangement. Look how cute. I love the way this turned out. Look how cute this little bouquet is. There it is again. The black and the white. How cute are these? You could do so much with these. They're simple, cute to make. Look how pretty they'd be on your table. So guys, go to the Dollar Tree, get all your supplies, and start making some Easter crafts. And don't forget to subscribe to Crafty Mom with 3 Sets of Twins. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being a part of our family, and have a wonderful day.